How do you start a business using AI? The truth is, anybody can start a business using AI, even with a kitty cat on their lap. I mean, it used to be so much harder to do. But nowadays, in the whole world with AI, we can do anything we want, really, and save brain cells, save us time, and we can automate it with automation. It's like Ted, who is the CEO of Netflix, said, AI will not replace jobs. It will replace humans who don't know how to use AI. But it's okay. Just go ahead, subscribe to my channel, because then you're going to have nothing to worry about. If you are new to all of this, don't worry. This is totally newbie friendly. Now, you know AI did not write that because it don't know how to write newbie friendly. Listen, I'm going to help you out. So let's dig right in and get started. Ideas for your business. You need to come up with ideas. You have any ideas? You have any ideas? Huh? That's not helping either. Now, there's several idea generators out there that you could Google and you can use, or you could simply use ChatGPT. Okay, I'm a solo entrepreneur for now and want to start a business. So give me 15 ideas I can do online and that I do not need a big team for. I need you to be my coach to make sure that I don't need a lot of upfront money and that there is definitely a market for the product. Feel free to ask me as many questions as you need in order to get 15 really good ideas. Okay. And don't worry, any links and everything, I will put everything in the description for you. Great. I'd love to help you build something real and sustainable. Since you're a solopreneur looking for low startup costs, small workload, no big team, and a proven market, we'll want ideas that are digital first and completely online, low overhead, scalable, in demand now, not just trending for 5. I like that. Before I jump into giving you 15 tailored ideas, I want to ask you a few questions. Okay, and then it'll go through and you can ask the questions. I'm not going to go through all of this. Go ahead through and answer all of your questions, but that'll get you started. So you want to solve someone's problems. That's what you're aiming to do. I have some notes right here I'm going to read. Here's some ideas. Okay, make money, which is what I do. Make money online niche. Get a six-pack abs. Organize your closet. How to grow plants organically. Software review. Okay, there's a guy, and I think he started off on like TikTok, and he talks about growing plants organically and stuff. Like, he made a killing, and all he did was had a $10 ebook. That was it. That was it. First of all, you need a business plan. So I wanted to tell you there is a business builder challenge. I am an affiliate for it. I've been through it. I think it's awesome. It's tailored to beginners. It shows you how to use AI. It gives you the scripts and everything. It does cost. It's like $17, but you have like a free coach that takes you through it and a bunch of stuff that you get for free and everything. It's totally worth it. And it'll help you get started and set up your business plan. And it doesn't matter what your niche or anything like that is. But if not, you can simply go into ChatGPT, or you can use any software. I'm gonna have a whole bunch of some software, preferably free for you, and you can use any of the main ones to help you. You can tell them, hey, I need you to help me build a business plan and get everything kind of set up, and you will tweak it within time. You'll go back and you'll change it, I promise. Then you want to make sure people know what your business stands for. And if you have a slogan, that's great. Or a mission statement, either one. For example, here's mine. Create the financial freedom that you want to get the time freedom that you deserve. Love it. Next, you want to name it. Name your business. This is where a lot of people put way too much work, way too much effort. I did too. Like I spent a long time on this, like a week, and it was ridiculous. But a coach from many years ago taught me the easiest way and the coolest way to do this, so I'm going to teach you. Now we're going to go back to ChatGPT. Now, what you do is you come up with 2 to 3 words, and you put them together, and you can mix them all up. I even named a YouTube channel this way. And what we used to do is we would just think of some cool names that we liked and put them down in a list, and then look some stuff up. We Googled it, and then we did it that way. But now that we have ChatGPT, okay, I use the closet organization one. Could you give me some business names that are examples for closet organization? Ooh, I kind of like that declutter and done. That just stood out. But say you have the closet cure, declutter closets. You take the words and kind of intermingle them, neatly nestled. I don't like that. Neatly sorted, curated closets. I like that. Curated closet cure. I like that too. So, and then take them and just, I mean, it's something so simple and so easy. But make sure, I always use GoDaddy. So go to GoDaddy. If you can, do a .com. See if it's been taken. You know, say we did closet nomads. I don't know. Make sure that you search on there and see if it's there. If there's not a .com, I mean, sometimes there's like an AI or a IO or something like that. But if there is a .com, be very careful, because if you're in the same niche, then you could have trouble. You could get sued. You got to. I do know a friend that in his Apple sued him because it was like the name of his podcast or something like that, and he was in the right, but after thousands upon thousands of dollars, I mean, you're up against Apple. He lost, so he just stopped. So be very careful of that. And you also want to make sure you look at social media to see what's there and being used and what's not. The next thing would be like a logo. Again, don't overthink it. Everybody does. All right, now this is my logo. Whenever I was first, it took me a week, and everything I wanted was taken. And finally, I was like, Shelly Hopkins wasn't, so I just went with my name. Now, this right here, I actually had Fiverr design mine, and it was supposed to be me helping people. And so they designed this, and later on, no one knew what it meant. So it's like the only person knows is me. But this is supposed to mean helping people, and then these were my colors. Right here, this right here is a logo that I had created as well. That's supposed to be for, I have an affiliate marketing roadmap course, and I have an ebook. But you can go to Fiverr. That's what I did. And I was looking, like, here's someone for 15, and there was a couple, here's one for 20, there was another one for like 20, 25. So you can do that, or you can use AI, and I'm going to tell you that you can use these for some more stuff that we're going to do. But I mean, for a logo, you could play around with Leonardo.ai, because they have a free plan, and Polo AI has a free plan as well. So you could play around with those two to see if you get something that you like. But whoever, if you pay for it or if you create it yourself, remember too, you're going to want one that's like transparent. I have one that has like a black background, I have a white background, and then I have a transparent, because so you can use it in a bunch of different stuff. But don't overthink it. You can do templates, you can do online courses, you can do ebooks, you can do tools, you could even do affiliate marketing. That's what I do. If you think you can't have your own business doing affiliate marketing, yes, you can. Now, let's get down to business. It's okay, I won't create a course on how to sing, I promise. Market research. Okay, right now we're going to look at Perplexity. It has a free plan. This is the free plan, and then there's one that you can upgrade to. Now, I like Perplexity because it's really cool. It can search the whole entire internet, and it can even come back and give you sources. So it goes out and searches everywhere, and then comes back and gives you what you want, and it gives you sources to it, which can be helpful. Okay, I'm going to say, give me keywords for high-ranking affiliate online software. Okay, now there's a reason why you might think I'm doing this kind of weird, but there's a reason why, and I'll tell you in a minute. Okay, now also it has like top affiliate marketing keywords, SEO 9 best SEO affiliate programs, most popular affiliate marketing keywords. Okay, so we don't want that. Okay, these keyword performs well in search engines. Okay, that's what we want. Now, what's cool about this is you can export it as a PDF. Okay, so I just named it 111. So I added that from Perplexity, and then I put, please create a list that is in order by percentage affiliates will make and customer service rank. Customer service is important. I want to do reviews on this software, so I added information from Perplexity. I'm kind of glad that I messed up on this, because I just went with the, I was thinking SEO, so I just did keywords, and I should have told it to go ahead and give me this information, because it said I didn't, I asked for the information that it did not give me. I'm not going to go back and do that. I'll just tell ChatGPT, but there's a reason why. There's a reason why I'm using all of this that I'm using, and I'll tell you why in a minute. Okay, it did good. Elementary, that's a good one. Impact partner stack. No, I shouldn't. That's my fault too. I should have said give me 10 or 15, but just so I can show you. Now I'm going to take this, and then I'm going to go to another platform. Now, when it comes to writing, Claude is actually better. It's not better at research. So when it comes to my emails and ideas is better. I can get really good ideas with ChatGPT, and then I'll bring it into Claude, and it'll make it sound so much better. So I'm going to say, and it's not all the information that I wanted, but I'm just showing you what you need to do. Like if I was really doing this, I'd say, and then forget that one I didn't say, partner stack. See, and not only does it always sound better, but the way that it goes and how it writes it out is so much better. I love it. Nah, 4 was fine. 4 was fine. Good example. So then you can take this information, for example, and then you could turn around and you can have Claude write, like I said, emails. You can have it do posts, tweets, YouTube outlines, scripts, you name it. Now, the reason why I did it the way that I did it is because AI can be tracked. There's one way that it can't, but that's a whole nother video. But for one, I mean, I know like you're having to use a couple different ones. That's why I'm showing you the process, anyways. And so if you use Perplexity to help with the research and the stuff, and it's really great with keywords. So I was trying to use keywords as an example, and then you take that and then you help the brain work and the ideas with ChatGPT, and then the actual writing to use with Claude. Okay, for one, not only are you getting the best of all of the worlds of what they do, but it helps you not get tracked. Say you ended up creating something that was really, really cool. I mean, you can create courses and stuff with this, but you don't want everybody to have it. It's going to be a lot harder for it to be out there, because AI, it's out there. It's out there. It's even being used in court, but it's out there. It's harder for people to get to your stuff and to see what you're doing when you're using several different platforms as well. That's why I said, I'll tell you what I'm doing in a minute. But if you use each one for what they're good at, then it's going to be even more beneficial to you. Then you need to create content. And then for pictures, use, the Apollo AI and the Leonardo AI. You can use these two. They have the free versions. I was telling you earlier, use them to create the picture. Some can do, as you can see, video, but the free plan only has so much, but you can use those and the text from the software to create like your posts and everything. Now, if you're into video and you don't want to use your face, my favorite is Syllabi. It is the easiest, the cheapest, and the coolest out of all of the AI software where you don't have to show your face or anything like that, and it's very affordable. But if you're wanting to do more videos, then I would say then use Syllabi. It does cost though. They have great annual plans. If you wanted to do annual, if you weren't doing YouTube, this one would be just fine, the basic. And then if you wanted to do it monthly, it's $25. So it's the most affordable. Or you can use system.io. It's free. You can create your official website there along with your funnels and email and autoresponder. You're going to get into all of that as well. But honestly, a lot of people's like, start writing blogs and create your main official website. Honestly, you don't need to do that in the beginning. I mean, a funnel is really cool because you're going to collect people's email addresses and stuff, maybe give out a freebie or something like that. On all the stuff that we already created, say that was your niche, you could turn around and say, okay, now with all of this, what would make a good freebie? And then I would actually go into Perplexity and say, create me 10 ideas for freebies, and then turn around and then take that information and put it in ChatGPT and have it help you create some stuff and more ideas. That's what I would do. As you can see, this is my process right here. And then you can take that, give it away for free, create it in a funnel, boom, you're done. Now, if you do the AI Business Builder Challenge that I was telling you about, that's only $17, then part of my bonus is I give everybody it's like a push button into System.io that has your own funnel. It has all your emails for your autoresponder, and I give you a done for you ebook that has affiliate links and everything that you can give away yourself and use as your own. So it's kind of like a done for you business bonus, really. And it's just for you paying $17 and actually taking that first step. So now all you do is just create content and just keep pumping it out. That's all you do. And don't stop. Know that you got this. Okay? And if you liked this video, then I have another one that has to do with AI. I forgot what it was, but you want to watch that next because I'm in there. So I'll see you in there.